Steel is one of the most important materials in the modern world. From towering skyscrapers to cars, bridges, and railways, steel makes it all possible. But how is steel actually made? The journey begins with three main raw materials: iron ore, coke, and limestone. Iron ore provides the iron. Coke, a form of purified coal, provides heat and carbon. And limestone helps remove impurities. These materials are added in layers into a massive structure called a blast furnace. The furnace can stand over 30 meters tall and operates continuously for years.
Superheated air is blown.
Next, extremely hot air, heated to nearly 1,000 degrees Celsius, is blasted into the bottom of the furnace. This causes the coke to burn intensely, generating temperatures above 1,500 degrees Celsius. As the coke burns, it produces carbon monoxide gas. This gas rises through the furnace and reacts with the iron ore. In a chemical reaction called reduction, oxygen is removed from the iron ore, leaving behind molten iron. At the same time, limestone reacts with unwanted impurities such as silica. This forms a separate liquid layer called slag, which floats on top of the molten iron. The molten iron collects at the bottom of the furnace. When ready, it is tapped and poured into large transport ladles. But molten iron is not yet steel. It contains too much carbon. To transform it into steel, oxygen is blown into the molten iron in a basic oxygen furnace. The oxygen reacts with excess carbon, removing it as gas and refining the metal. What remains is molten steel, strong, versatile, and ready to shape the world. Finally, the steel is cast into slabs, billets, or beams, cooled and formed into the products we use every day. From raw rock to refined metal, this is how steel is made in a blast furnace.